Okay, I'm now just going to talk through the third section of my digital thermometer, which is to read the analog to digital converter and output the digits to the 7-segment display. So again, we've got the title, the libraries that we've included, the frequency of the crystal, and our configuration for the PIC. This section here is initializing the analog to digital converter. So there's our settings here for the ADC on 0. These two are setting the oscillator speed to 8 megahertz. This one here is setting the output channel N0. This one's turning the module on. In this register we have this one here which is setting our analog digital converter to rate justified, and then this line here is just turning on the analog digital converter. Then this section here is just a function in to read the analog digital converter, which we'll use later on down here. Call it in just. Again, we've got our array for different outputs to the 7-segment displays from 0 to 9. And here we have just our main program. So within the main program, we're declaring a character array R with 5 numbers. Then we're setting up our ints A, B, C, and D. And then we've got 2 character arrays, X and Y. This line here is just initializing the analog to digital converter, followed by our settings here for the ports A, B, and D. So port A is being set to all inputs, port B and D are being set to all outputs. Again, we've got RB0 equal 1, which is basically switching on our transistor, and then an output to RB1 0. So in here we're just reading the analog digital converter and saving that value into X, followed by short delay. This line here is quite important because we're now getting our value X and saving it into our array R, our string array R, and followed by our 2 ints A, B, C, and D, which we are now setting to 0, which eventually will have our 4 digits from the analog digital converter. This section here is just blanking our 7-segment display, followed by a delay. This line here is getting our value from A from our string and sending it out as a binary number, which is got from our served array up here, followed by again port B doing the same thing again, except using the second value of the string, and that's repeated again for C and D, and then that's the end of main.